reverse camera on as Zumi tried to put it on the back while Pawner was distracting him, so he saw no matter what. Good morning. Welcome to Vail, Colorado. I was probably most desperate for sleep last night. That's why I didn't vlog that much getting into the resort. But check out this room. We got the corner suite right here. Coming out to the balcony. See guys already heading out here. And just look at this place. This place is unreal. Downstairs in the lobby is probably the most impressive valet lineup the rally has had so far. We got these two cars. And then we got this guy right here in a Veyron. He's from Florida. He's joining us for the second half. Right next to him is the Lone Sharks 812 Competizione. I mean, this is also worth like $1 million next to that thing as well. And then you have another blue car, Alex Troy's wide body Super Trofeo race freaking Huracan that has gone through all of the V's and phases in the past to now be where it is. And then you have the grass gas ass cars. So this is a pretty stacked lineup, I must say. Today we are headed out to Salt Lake City, and we might have a little off-roading activity in the deserts of Moab. I sadly lost my co-pilot Omar because he was only with me for the first half, and this is the transitioning point to the second half. So I have a new co-pilot. No. You got the walkie-talkie, you got the navigation.
Yeah, I think, maybe.
Gold Rush Rally!
Yes, sir!
We made it!
We made it! Like maniacs out here. You never know if one of them's just gonna decide to cut out. And I'm glad I'm in an R8 of all things, because if I was in that Lamb truck up there, I don't think we would have been able to stop in time for that one. Just drive on the curb. God damn, dude, you're wearing your rear view mirror right now.
Yeah. I'm gonna see everybody coming up.
Jesus.
Why does it come so sticky?
Yeah.
It actually has a really good color.
Right?
Because I'm
You must drink a lot of Kumquat energy. No, it must be all the...
I mean, I don't know why you guys are removing it. This is just extra promotion, you know, at this point.
Yeah, I mean, if you get in a car accident from not seeing, at least everyone will know what energy drink is.
Jesus Christ.
Oh no.
So it's still holding air?
It is, yeah. It's still 54.
Can you still drive on that?
I don't know. It shakes really, really bad. So thankfully, these wheels are like $600 each. So.
Right?
Yeah.
The cheapest part on the whole car.
Oh yeah. If I had the Veyron wheels, I'd be pissed. $3 grand for a new wheel. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Oh,
I need some TEs now.
That's what I'm saying, man. You gotta have like TEs are stronger. I definitely hit the same thing. I mean, we all went through the tunnel. These things somehow been holding up.
Did you shave your?
I didn't purposely shave it, but it shaved over time.
Yeah.
I gotta get him to like look away.
Busted. Public enemy number one is now the Bugatti. Everyone's after it. Taillight, you won't.
Taillight?
Taillight. I like it. Yeah. made our first successful contact with the USPS drivers out there. Last one on day one, that wasn't it. He wasn't feeling it.
Hey, Carlos, do you copy? Yeah, go ahead. You ready for some poopy there, bro? Let's go.
So apparently, the 599 transmission.
There's the 599. Someone's banging too many gears.
Yeah, it has some transmission issue. I don't know if it's fully blown or if it's bad, but that was them on the side of the road figuring it out. But we just had the GT63 pull over. It's got extra seats in the back, so it's going to get whoever is stranded in that scenario. We're going to continue on. And just like that, we are in Utah. What the? What the?
Back anything. That just happened.
Poor man. Hopefully he's all right.
There's no way.
Hope he's not stuck in my roof box.
No, please not the thought.
Someone was a little blind and miscalculated their flight path, and it ended up right smacking my front windshield. Luckily, there's no windshield damage, there appears to be, and the dash cam got it, so you just watch that clip. It gave me a heart attack, because I just saw it, and then it just boom, and I just did not expect there to be contact. Thanks for the greeting, Utah. I didn't think it'd get crazier than Sedona,
But it did.
but here we are.
But it did get crazier.
It did. We got all these things posted up. Bugatti off-roading. I will say that I don't think life gets better than this right now. We're in the craziest canyons along the Colorado River. We got supercars in front. I have a freaking Bugatti Veyron that is in my rearview mirror. When I look in my mirror, I see the front end of a Veyron, and that is the coolest thing to see in this scenery. And just ever, this is really as good as it gets. We got ATV crossing up ahead right now. We just completely missed the light because of this train of toys in front of us right now. Who the heck these guys think they are? They could just take over the road? Alright, so it turns out GOLDRUSH actually were the ones on the ATVs. And I guess we're getting an ATV off-road experience here in Utah. Any room left?
Yeah. Okay, there. You two go in there.
Okay.
Jeff!
Now I know why this is here.
Yeah. They roped out here. Oh no, put me behind the wheel. Well, we made it. Come all this way just to see some crazy rocks. I mean, I'm personally just really tired, but I'm ready to get to the hotel now. This is the most chaotic gas stops here on GOLDRUSH. Guy who had this car, he's inside, he didn't have the keys, so I moved as far forward as I could, and then Paulner tried to squeeze himself into getting the pump. So we're making things work. Somebody thought they'd be a little sneaky and had our first sticker fully slapped on there on the rear end of this thing. So I don't know, should we just keep it on just for prank's sake, or is that too much? What do you think? Should I keep the sticker on?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like one of the kumquat cars finally got pulled over. Gold Rush is all about going off-road today. This road is completely gravel full. So you notice all the cars have spanned out their distance because if I get too close to the 765, I'm gonna get a bazillion rocks up in my front bumper. Also, KA is going off, so there's probably a cop in town. Clearly, we ain't gonna be speeding anytime soon.
Watch out, watch
Oh God,
out.
oh
He's
God,
gonna pass you
oh
and like
God.
chuck shit up at you.
Oh God. Oh my God, is he gonna try and overtake? Dude.
No
Dude.
way. No way.
Dude.
What?
Dude. Oh no, the Huracan's gonna
Oh.
The Huracan's gonna cut him off.
He cut him off. He's a you.
Give you guys. Look at this. This is awful. Oh, we gotta slow down.
Hello.
Got a little heavy foot there.
Somebody drive my car there.
Yeah.
He broke it in.
No, that was not how that was supposed to go down. Oh my God, how is this still on the road? Dude, get off the road! Dude. Oh, he's got hazards on now. I was going, yeah, okay, he got on the side of the freeway. Dude, we think like a slight bend in the wheel is like, oh my God, I feel the vibration. Dude, homie, the whole thing was like,
It's really bad in here.
dude, the dumpster's just growing. It's just expanding. Soon, I'm gonna see it start leveling up to the windows, you know? Like,
It's
I'm
gonna
gonna
start
start
flying out.
driving.
All right, wait.
So you guys do interior?
Hold on. Here we go.
Look at this. He's already got
This is
you.
just for you.
He's got you set.
Just for you. And we will go in and
Yeah, for sure.
give you a nice little... I know this is not part
Bro, are you serious?
Yeah.
Can I shoot this off?
Oh, we're not.
I'll save you till one.
We're gonna be banned from this hotel
Yeah,
too.
we'd be banned like instantly. No, wait, that's a reusable cup.
Find an excuse for everything that he's tossing in, just like no.
Yeah, everything has a purpose. That's a bottle of water. What? That's a smoke bomb.
I like
Wait, have
the
you used
combination
that?
of smoke bomb and Tylenol.
That's like for us, right? We're,
That's for after the smoke
we're a
bomb.
family, I swear. I swear we're a family. Yeah, I'll take that. That's my camera lens.
For your camera that you didn't bring on the rally.
So far the bag's empty.
Yeah, it's not looking too bad actually. Oh,
Hey, oh, there you go.
that was his milk. That was his milk.
No, I don't drink milk.
So what's up with the dollar bills?
Dude, we got pranked by you, I think.
What do you mean by me?
I think we got pranked by
I
you.
feel like it was you guys.
What do you mean? It wasn't us. I
No?
don't have one.
No, you like nothing about like popping little money things and a car rings a bell. Nothing like that.
I don't know.
You guys don't know about that? Oh, there's rest.
No. Hey, cool, my brush.
What do you think it was me?
Not worth it.
Oh, yeah.
It's a
Oh,
better
yeah,
brush now.
you asked some pretty suspicious questions about it.
What was the suspicious
We said we'd
question?
find out about it later. too.
Homie just brought it up again. That's sus as hell.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
That conversation just left like 2 minutes ago, and then it just showed up again.
Literally, the last time I bought poppers was
Who said
like
anything about
2 days ago.
poppers?
No, I'm saying that. That's a popper right there.
How do you know that?
Yeah, what if someone didn't just dump money?
just
That's
like-
weird. That's weird.
Dude,
That's super
how do you,
weird.
how do you
He
even
just
just like
Sherlocked
do
you,
like
bro.
that?
Super odd that
Okay,
you
but
know
I'm saying
that.
like you can't just like buy those and like just like throw it in
top
there.
10 detectives, top 10.
Top 10.
Zoomy,
Also,
who popped that little miniature money shit in the car?
I don't remember. Who was it?
You don't remember? So you initially knew who did it?
remember them telling us who did it.
What?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Supposed to know?
Brain cell count.
Turns out it was the detailing guys the whole
Yeah,
time.
it was. Yeah.
Such a good marketing ploy.
Job security.
This is our room here in Utah. There's two styles to a really nice place. There's old money, and then there is more contemporary. And I won't lie, this is definitely not for me. Both ends cost money regardless. I mean, this hotel is definitely very lavish and fancy, and we could tell that by the lobby. But I kind of feel like I'm just in grandma's house in this room right now. Basically, that is going to conclude this vlog. I don't even know what day we're on anymore. This is going to be JackUltraMotive signing this vlog off.